Hi, you guys. This is the Shappell Show, and I am your girl Shappell, and this is my marvelous mother. You guys have been asking about her since, what was it, my styling video? I think it was my hair straightening video. Yeah. It received like 9,000 views. Yes. And everyone always asking about her when it was definitely supposed to be about my hair. So here I am. Here she is. Stay tuned. Thumbs up, subscribe, like, all that good stuff. And we have more videos coming for you. Your brows. Do you want me to do them or you?
I want to do my own brows.
Just brush them out.
Oh my gosh. I look like I lost.
It's just
know that this is my very first time doing this, so it's not going to be perfect.
I'm about to just do them for you.
Just do it. Just do it.
20 minutes later.
Move it along.
Thank you. Because you be all over the place doing everybody else's makeup, you don't have time for your mama. How about that?
How about, full disclaimer, my mother knows nothing.
Zero.
About makeup.
Zero. But I bet I didn't say it.
You bet you would.
I look good when I finish.
Eventually.
That's your foundation.
Yes.
And this is my color.
Yes.
Okay. Why'd you put yours on your hand and mine?
Because this is how I do it, not how you do it.
Okay. So how do I apply mine with the sponge?
I mean, it's however you feel.
No, I'm saying, what are you looking for?
I'm going to put the sponge on, but I just like to put it all over my face first. So if you want to dip it in and then do it, then do it.
Will the sponge soak it up? I'm just asking questions. The people want to know.
You want to know. Okay, how about this?
Yes, thank you.
Now, wipe it, put it in different spots.
I don't need y'all no attention to this.
Why did you never wear makeup when you were?
Because I didn't know how. I didn't know what I needed to do.
Like, even growing up, I mean, things have changed over time, but like back then, what did you used to wear?
Lotion and eyeliner. Period.
No lipstick?
No lipstick, no lip gloss, no nothing. Lotion and eyeliner. Kid you not.
Like, what do you wear now?
Now I wear some powder. And I'll wear, that's basically it. I mean, of course I do, you know, lotion or whatever, and I have some lip gloss or whatever that I'll wear, but with a little color to it, but I put on a powder just to kind of, because mostly I'm trying to hide my freckles.
All right. Which I always tell her that there's nothing wrong with her freckles. Yeah, but she doesn't like them, so.
At all. So yeah, that was it. Back in the day, that's what it was.
Yeah, that's crazy. I mean, I get it, because I look at pictures of, like, from when I was in high school and stuff, and things have just changed with that alone, so I know it's even more different now.
Yeah.
Your edges, okay. Sis, mine over here looking busted.
this, and I will be better than her and doing your makeup. Period. So to take out. Baby, I got this. I'm about to take your job.
What is this?
I'm about to take your job. Tap, tap, boo. Tap, tap. Now, does this burn?
No.
Is my chest supposed to get set?
And I need that back. Thank you. You are a thief in the night.
Your lips are humongous. They are.
Period. Mom, don't start.
I'm just saying.
Are you ready? Is your face moisturized?
Brush it away. Brush it away, boo. Brush you away. Miss it, boo. I miss it, girl. So it's just
The next day.
Go to sleep. I can't. I can't.
night, night. Night, night.